Good afternoon, everyone. So we have transferred over from the Little Mermaid room to Art of Animation. Thus the red hair. If you did not see the pictures, you'll want to go back and see those. You'll enjoy them.
She didn't dye her hair, it's just a wig, it's okay.
Yes, no worries there. And we are now at Coronado Springs with a water view. It's actually really pretty and really peaceful.
Yeah, so we're actually over here in the Casitas building right now, and the water view we have is out here. You can kind of see we've got a little view over the lagoon, and they've installed a fountain in the last few weeks, which is really pretty out there. Really enjoy this resort. As you guys know, it's one of our favorites. But we have the water view this time, so it's really nice. We have kind of the fountain in the background, plus there's the water there. And we've got all moved in here, so we're gonna go check out the room, show you guys around there, and then we have a fun announcement at the end of the video too, so stay tuned for that once we're done with the walkthrough here. Alrighty, so this is the newly remodeled, as the rest of the resort is here at Coronado Springs, water view room. This is a room that has 2 queen beds. Now previously when we stayed here, they had a king bed room for us. This is the one that has the 2 queens. As the standard for most of the remodels goes, the beds are on those risers, so we do have storage underneath. Yay, storage, so we're not always kicking our suitcases in the dark when we're trying to get up and go to the bathroom. That has happened on more than one occasion. And these beds are the ones that also have the little reading lamps built into the headboard, which is a really fun little feature and also very helpful if you don't want to have all the lights in the room on if you are up late at night when your spouse is not. They keep with the same Southwestern theme here and the 3 Caballeros and Donald Duck. They have a few different artwork pieces in the room with them in there. This one is still one of my favorites. So far, this one has been in every room here at Coronado Springs. And it's a few cactus with the 3 Caballeros silhouetted in there. It's a really pretty picture. I love it. Love the colors in it. I just think it's great. And then there's a couple others over here that I don't think we've seen in these rooms before that look kind of like windows. And they have Panchito and Jose in that one. And then they have Donald and some type of dancer in the top one. Of course, Donald Duck, if you've ridden the ride in Mexico at Epcot, is always chasing after the Spanish ladies for some reason. Not sure why. I mean, Daisy seems to be okay with it, so I guess whatever. There's plenty of counter space here as far as the desk area goes, and this is one of the things I love about this resort is we have plenty of room to put stuff down. Sometimes you don't really have any counter space or drawer space. This resort does not have that problem. They have this huge desk area, which is great for me since I work from here, and the Wi-Fi actually is usually pretty good here as well, but I have this desk I can work from, as well as an actual Keurig to make my coffee in the morning if I need that. And of course they have, your cups and ice bucket and stuff as they normally do. And then down here inside is one of the new coolers with the glass door on it that they have in most of the newly remodeled rooms these days. Plenty of outlets with USB plugs in them. Again, really handy for us as we have so many little devices to charge. It seems like every time I turn around we have something else we have to plug up. But it is very nice having enough outlets in the room for those for sure. One of our favorite features in these rooms is the barn door bathroom separator there. These are actual rolling barn doors that hang here in between the bathroom area and the main room, and they do close off. So if you're looking for a little bit more privacy in that bathroom area, vanity area, they do have that option here. And they have the option of adjoining rooms in some of them, this being one of those rooms that has adjoining possibilities. There's a door there with a full-length mirror that would lead you over to the other room that looks just like this one, but mirrored. They did go with the double vanity in here when they remodeled these rooms, and we are very grateful for that. They have the 2 vanities with the nice marble kind of, or granite, whatever that is. Maybe that's quartz. It's got little glittery spots in it, but it's really pretty. Stone there on the countertop, and again, lots of counter space. And one thing that we really love they did in this resort is they gave you lots of storage space. So there's plenty of storage down there underneath the sinks. There's some storage up there beside the sinks, and there's actually plenty of storage inside here as well with a place to hang your clothes and some shelves at the bottom there. So plenty of room here for all the things you may need for your vacation or like us or just, for living. And then they also have the lighting all the way around the mirror, which is so great and really helps brighten up the space and give you plenty of light for when you're getting ready in the mornings. The bathroom area does have a door, as all of them do. This one is one of those pocket doors that they have that kind of slides into the wall. I personally love these things, and whenever we do eventually have a house again one day, I plan on installing some of those in our house because they're just so space saving. They kind of hide out of the way, and they really give you the extra space in the room without, eliminating a door completely. We do have a walk-in shower here in this room. There is no tub. Some of the rooms do still have tubs, but for the most part they do not. They've gone to walk-in showers with the remodel. It just kind of depends. If you would like a tub, you can always request a room with a tub, as with any of the remodeled rooms that don't have them standard anymore. And they just found in polling guests that most people prefer showers to tubs, and because of that, they went with a higher percentage of showers when they started doing remodels. The shower does have, I want to point this out too, a detachable shower head up there that you can grab. So if you do have children that you need to help with their bathing, you do have the option for the detachable shower head. Alyssa Emily Emery says she loves your hair. So
thank you.
She's enjoying having the mermaid hair today for sure. And David says, can you buy the Donald Duck pictures anywhere? Not to our knowledge on these particular photos, David, but they do have a lot of different Disney art, specifically at Epcot at the Art of Disney store, and then also at Disney Springs. There's a couple places there that have Disney artwork as well. I've never seen these for sale. That doesn't mean they're not, but I've not seen them anywhere, and we've been going to those stores. So that is our tour of the 2 queen beds in the water view room here at Coronado Springs. Like we've said before, this is one of our favorite resorts. This is definitely one of the nicest moderates in our opinion, especially with the remodel. And the location, the food, kind of everything here is one of our favorites. The food, yeah, we kind of get excited every time we're staying here because there's a pretty awesome food court. So we've been really enjoying that. And we also have, as we promised in the title, an announcement to make. And it has nothing to do with Alyssa's red hair or any other kind of Disney bounding or anything like that. But today for us marks 100 days living at Disney World. So today is day number 100. We've made it this far. We haven't gone insane and we haven't, gotten kicked out yet. So that's a win. That's a win so far. But so today is number 100 for us. We are super excited to have made it this far. And as a fun little treat for that, we are going to be doing a video live here on Facebook, 6 o'clock.
6 p.m. Eastern time, 5 p.m. Central.
Yeah, so 6 o'clock Eastern time, we're going to be doing a live video here on Facebook. We have put together a list of 100 random things we've learned living 100 days at Walt Disney World. So, if you'd like to find out what those are, tune in at 6 o'clock Eastern time, 5 o'clock Central. We will be doing that here live on Facebook. I have no idea how that's going to go, but we have our list of 100 things, and it should be a lot of fun. Some of them you may be surprised about. Others may just be things that have happened to us. But, we'll see. Yeah. So thank you, everyone, for the happy 100th day. Appreciate that.
Yes, we are super excited.
Yeah, it's a pretty fun little accomplishment to have made it this far. So we were really excited about that video. We had a lot of fun putting the list together for the 100 things. A lot of laughing and fun times. So we'll be doing that video at 6 o'clock Eastern time, 5 o'clock Central time. If you have a chance to tune in, we would love it. And then if you also are on Instagram, we're going to be doing a live video on there. We've had scheduled for a few days, coming up at 8 o'clock tonight, 8 o'clock Eastern time, 7 o'clock Central time. So we've had some people on there asking for a live video, so we're going to do a Q&A thing on there if you're interested in that too. So anyway, that's all we've got for you for now. We will see you back on here at 6 o'clock Eastern tonight for our 100 random facts that we learned at Disney World living here for 100 days. And until next time.
We're here with the ears.
Bye, everyone.